To be honest with you, the money is made getting in early, and unfortunately, it's limited who has access to those projects, right? So not everybody can invest in a fund like ours or whatever. But if you're an angel, if you're your own VC, you can still find ways to do it, but it's very challenging, right? Because one of the challenges is, especially in the US, you have to be rich in essence, right? You have to qualify. In the US, it's called, you have to be an accredited investor, Reg D. You have to have either a net worth, not counting your home, of over $1 million, or you have to make over 200K a year individually for the last 2 years, or you and your spouse have to make 300,000 US dollars in the last 2 years. So in essence, you have to be rich. And even when you're rich, you have to have the deal flow, right? You have to have a network of other angel investors. Like the same way we met Polygon, that was through other people we met through our network. And you also have to be connected to the VCs, because typically all these big projects, there's a lead VC who comes in that anchors the round. They set the terms, the term sheet and everything. Then they help bring in other investors. If you're just brand new, what's the value add to have you brought in? And that's very, very challenging. And that's why we're launching the Tokenmetrics VIP plan. We had the plan for a while, we sunset it, and now it's coming back, and we've made this a much more improved plan. We've listened to our customer input and feedback, and now it's really becoming more than just a network of other angels and VCs globally, but we're actually sharing every single pitch deck that comes across our desk with our customers in the VIP plan. Yes, that's every single pitch deck. Right? So imagine we come across the next Polygon, the next Solana, the next Helium pitch deck. We're sharing this with other VCs, giving them access. They'll have the same access and deal flow Tokenmetrics and Tokenmetrics Ventures has. That's the plan with the VIP plan. In essence, this VIP plan, and I think it's pretty cheap, $500 a month, cheaper if you buy the annual plan, gets you access to all the deals we'll see. And we'll also curate them and share with you in real time the projects we're talking to, the ones we like, the ones we end up investing in real time. So if you're an angel investor or a venture capitalist and you have more than $50,000 to $100,000 to invest per deal, this is the plan for you. Now, I know it's not for everybody. It's not for anybody who's just trying to build a portfolio. We have the basic, advanced, and premium plans that help you do that. Make your money with that. But if you want to start being an angel investor or VC and getting access to the same deals we like and knowing what we're doing in real time, this is the plan for you. Here's an example, right? Basically, we'll have a Telegram alerts and Discord alerts that share different deals we like. Hey, this company is doing XYZ, a nice short blurb on the project, the valuation. And here we have a project raising 1 million at 16.67 million valuation. Right? It's an omni-chain liquidity platform. We'll be sharing all these deals a few times a day, depending on how many deals or how active the crypto space is. And then we'll take those same deals and also curate them, find the best deals we like, not financial advice, and send out an email once a week of the top active venture capital opportunities and angel investment opportunities for crypto VCs. They're in the network, right? You have access to our team. If you want intros to any project that we're talking to, that we could even do. Now, this is not for everybody. This is meant for VCs and angel investors, unfortunately, right? Because the typical check size as an angel investor is, let's say, 50 grand or even 100 grand for some projects. So this is not designed for everybody, but wanted to create a plan that will offer value to those people who are graduating out of the platform and making money and want to become larger players in the space. Definitely check it out. We're trying to give access to as many people as we can, but unfortunately, it has to be limited because VC world is small. The angel investing world is small. It's just, unfortunately, that's the way it is. But anyway, we are launching the Tokenmetrics VIP plan. And if you want to find products like Polygon early or Solana or others, we think this is a great place to start because we're constantly coming across several projects, several decks every single day. Just venture. These are projects that haven't even launched yet. And now we're able to share those projects and the ones we like and the ones we're actively talking to and investing in with our customers in the VIP plan. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, we have even more content for you at Tokenmetrics. Get there using the link down below.